Cocu PV is the new multidimensional formable photovoltaic element from BOEHME Systems. It integrates a flexible solar module inside a metal shingle, thereby creating a building envelope that doubles up for generating energy as well. Additional roof or facade elements are not necessary here. Cocu PV can be used on the roof as well as on the facade. On roofs, it can be used as a new roof cover. As a replacement for old roof shingles, or installed directly on an existing roof cover. Installation is very simple. The individual shingles can be slid easily into each other along their edges and attached using the special clips from BOEHME Systems. To create a unified overall appearance, cavities are covered over with dummy shingles. Yet this is not the only reason there are no limits to architectural design freedom. It's also possible to realize a wide variety of different roof and facade designs, regardless of whether it's a classic pitched roof, a flat roof, or a flowing curved surface. With a new type of building shell produced, you can cover your own electrical power consumption needs. The building becomes self-sufficient. The sustainable generation of power using solar energy is not only friendly to the environment, but also to your pocketbook.